So this is a short demo of an application, an AI agent written in Python that interfaces with BookStack and Asana. So right below, this is the architecture of the app. We have a agent written with LangGraph, using LangGraph as the library. It does RAG search after the user creates a query. If the user asks something, then it will perform a RAG search through the retrieval phase, and then it will generate a response. Then based on the response, it either would call a tool. In this case, it would be a Asana create task tool, or if not, then it would just return a response to the user. Um, so it interfaces with BookStack using its REST API to get the content of the pages. And it does this after performing the retrieval through the Chroma VectorDB that is uh, stored previously. And then it also interfaces with Asana, Python SDK to create the task. So go with the demo. So we're gonna run the main script, wait for it to load. So while waiting for that, let's take a look at our Asana test project. So right now we have 3 items on the to-do, one doing, and one done. Then on our books tab, logged in as the admin, and then what we're going to query here would be the a page on the night shoes books. So this would contain all information about night shoes. And we have here a page. It's about a type of shoes. It's called the Nike Vomero Premium, and these are the details. So if we go back here, and then so our agent is already loaded. Just ask something like, tell me about Nike Vomero Premium. So the AI responds with the details that it gets from the page of Nike Premier Premium on our local BookStack installation. So if you notice here, it's localhost 6875. I've got the BookStack running on a Docker container. So that's how we interface with it. This is all on a local setup. And then after that, if the user got this information and he wants to create a task, so it's just gonna prompt the assistant or the AI to like create a task for, let's say, updating the price. Page 3. Um, then let's see if it does it. So there, I just created the Asana task of update Nike November premium price. And let's see if it's added on our Asana test project. And there it is. So that concludes the short demo about this app. Um, Thank you for looking at it.